Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, we want to talk about ticker symbol ANY, which is for Sphere 3D. And previously, I made a video on this particular ticker. I'm making again because I feel really bullish for this particular one. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, resistance, the overall trend, where it is going, the option chain activity, short interest, and many other things. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this particular video. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. You can become my Patreon. You can get access to my Discord where we do trade ideas, live trade alert for day trading, swing trading, option, and so on. So give a try. If you like it, definitely you will make more than $9 per month. So first of all, look at the chart. So in 1 month, you can see the price was moving sideways, then now it has been going higher. It has been making higher highs, at the same time higher lows, which is uptrend. If you look at last 5 days chart, same thing, it is going higher. Yes, last Friday we went up, came down, but still we ended the day 1.27%. So really good after hour, up by 1 cent. Very excited for this coming week because I think this thing will really run a lot. And again, if you want trade ideas during the day, please be a part of my community. Let's make some money together. Last Friday we made money on BBIG, any PRO, GBTPT. You can look at any. We made 8% earning. Anyway, so first of all, ticker symbol ANY. But before that, I just want to show you the Bitcoin price. You can see that the Bitcoin price is here, right? This is the all-time high, and now we are sitting here. And why I'm talking about Bitcoin for this particular video, because you know there is a connection between Bitcoin and Sphere 3D. Last 4 days ago, what is the news? Why Bitcoin related stock Sphere 3D is rising today? Another news on September 21st. Sphere 3D secures order for 60,000 BTC anti-miner, which is one of the largest orders. So there is some connection. I'm not going there, but as long BTC is going higher, any is gonna have the benefit, and also the any chart is also looking nice. The other thing I want to show here in this chart, you can see this is a daily chart. Look at the daily chart, how it is going higher. One high here, another high here, another high here. Same time when it comes down, it is not coming to the previous low point. It is making higher lows. The low was here, then the low is here. Now the low is here. This is really nice. If I go to a weekly chart, see what is happening. Each candle here is 1 week, and see, back to back so many weeks we are continuing higher and higher. Look at the volume is also getting higher. 4 consecutive weeks we are getting more and more volume than the previous one, and this thing is reminding me SPRT, which was at $4, $8 in this range. Then at one point it went to $60. So very bullish. I'm not saying ANY will go to 60, but the setup is looking really nice. I'm going back to a daily chart again. Look each day how it has been going higher. So I will talk about the support, resistance, and everything. Before that, few other things I want to talk. So last Friday, look at the volume, 51 million volume. The average volume was 29 million. So almost 2 times more volume came on Friday. If I look at last 1 month price action, you can see it moving sideways, then going higher. Look at the volume. The volume was low, and suddenly this last week the volume is higher. Almost each and every day it has been getting more and more volume. And if a stock has a very high short interest, it is having more volume and a nice bullish chart setup, we know what is the next thing, right? That is why I'm so bullish here. I'm going to talk about the option chain activity, but before that, as I talked about short interest, let's see Fintel. So as per Fintel, the short interest ratio, it has only 0.06 days to cover. The number is very small, which means that if there is any margin call for the short, or if they are forced to cover, it has to go very fast, right? The number is very small. Looking at the dark pool short volume ratio, the short interest is 56%, which is really high. Look at the short shares availability, only 0.45 million, very small. Also, the borrow fee rate is 32.7%, is really high. Also, look at the daily share activity, 56% shares are shorted, 52, so it has been shorted a lot for last few days. Also, I went to Twitter. There is another post I found that 57.2% short interest, and it has a price target of 12. I don't know who gave, maybe this is from Seeking Alpha, I do not know, I didn't get anything, but 12 they're talking, but I do not want to quote this. I want to talk about the price action. So looking at the daily chart, first of all, the blue line you see here, this is the uptrend, right? We are making higher highs, so we are on an uptrend, so I'm gonna get rid of the blue line. The next thing I want to talk here, the 3.7 area, it was the previous resistance, right? Then it break through 3.7, went up, came down, but it never came below 3.7. It means that the previous resistance has become the new support. Then it came here, bounced off, went up, then it found another resistance which is around $7, 7.1. You see, it tried so many times, it went up. Now back to back few days, it is maintaining 7.1 as the new support. So there's a support here, now there's a support here, so it is going up by stairs. So 3.7 support, then 5.5 support, then now the new support is 7.1. And what I'm thinking, the resistance we're experiencing is around 8.6 area. Once we go above that, goes up, comes down, and as long we hold the support of 8.6, this is the stair. You're going stair by stair, you are going higher. And also if you look at the chart here, the high is here around $12. Now I'm going to move back to hourly chart, and I want to show what is happening. So you see on hourly chart, it went so high, right? Then it came down, massively came down, but now we are gradually going higher. We are having some hard time to break 8.6 resistance. And why? It was a support at that point, so many bag holders at that point, they might be selling. But if we have more volume than the selling pressure, definitely we will go higher. Look at the 1 hour chart. I want to show you the 1 hour chart here. Look how things are moving sideways. Okay, so what is going to happen? So first important thing is we have to break this 8.6 resistance. Once we break this, we will go higher for sure. Or if we can break, the important area for me is 7.8. We have to hold this 7.8, 7.75, this area. In case it is, if in case we can hold this, it is okay, as long we hold the 7.1 support. So the most important one I see is 7.1. So if you are waiting for a pullback, you can look for two areas. One is 7.7, the next one is 7.1. And you can just get in, then ride the wave back again. On the other hand, if you see there is more volume, more bullish momentum, it goes over 8.6, wait for the confirmation, it goes up, comes down, and you start your position at 8.6. I'm really bullish. This thing will go $10-12. I think so. Nothing is guaranteed in the stock market, but I'm very bullish on this one. And if you want day trade, swing trade, any kind of idea, join my community to get pre-market and during market hour trade ideas. Now let's look at the option chain activity. The last thing I want to talk is the option chain activity. So have a look now. So the last option expiry date was 15th of October, right? So you see these are now out of the money. 8, 9, 10, lots of options were waiting here, but they are not in the money. But if I go to the next option chain, which is 19th of November, look what is happening for 8 and also for 9. So you see the big bars here, right? So they are predicting big movement for any. If you're also thinking the same thing, look at here, call volume versus put volume, 49,000 versus 4,500, nothing, right? 47,000 versus 8,000. So people are really betting big on any to go higher and higher. If you want to buy shares, it is up to you. If you want to buy with call option, it is also okay with me. Let's look at the chart. What do you think? So definitely 8.6 is the resistance. After 8.6, I think we will have something around $10. But if you think it will go higher and you want to buy a call option, I think you can establish any of these: $8, $9, $10. One call option is not very expensive, like $156. 10 strike price is $100. Buy a call option in case it goes to 10 or 11, $12, you will get more money. The other thing people like to see is the delta, which one will give you better delta. So you see here, if you buy the $8 strike, your delta is 59, meaning that if it goes $1 higher, your option premium will be increased by $59. So you will make $59 profit. If you buy this one, you are paying less, $100. So in $1 increase in any price, your option become 43% higher, you make 43% gain. So options are really exciting. So I'm going to load shares and options, everything, and we are also doing day trading, swing trading. So very exciting, and I'm looking forward this coming week. I think this coming week this thing will blow. One other thing, it doesn't mean that it will run each and every day. It is also okay. It is also okay. It cannot bring 8.6. More shorts will appear and they will try to bring it down. It might get a pullback, but again, once the pullback, it might go up again. You can always go back to SPRT or GREE chart. You can see how it was building. And I think once we go over 10, 11, $12, the real fun will begin. I think this thing will go to the moon. I'm not pumping, but I'm just showing you the fact and how this thing is gradually building. It goes up and down. You can do intraday trading, but I think this is the feature. So anyway, just wanted to make this video super quick so you know the price action and you know the plan, what to do this coming week. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, join my Patreon, become a member, and let's make money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.